Hello everyone, my name is Pratibha Singh and the domain for which I am demonstrating this code is computer vision and IoT. This is for task 1, optical character recognition. So let's begin with the code. In first code segment, I am importing OpenCV library, which is an image pre-processing library. So let's run this block of code. It's done. Now in second block we are importing PyTesseract library, which is an image to text extraction library and a wrapper around Tesseract. So let's run this. Now in next line we are importing NumPy library as NP. So this NumPy library is used for mathematical functionalities and working on 2D or higher dimensional data. So let's import this. Now in the next code segment we are importing matplotlib library, which is an image visualization tool. So let's import this and let's run this code segment. Now in next block of code we are defining path of Tesseract exe file so that a PyTesseract software or PyTesseract library works well. So let's run this statement. It is done. Now in next bigger block of code, we in first line we are reading image using OpenCV library. So the command is cv2.imread and the path of image as an argument. So this image is imported as 2D array in IMG. Now we are using matplotlib pyplot method to show that image. So this is the command to showcase the image. Now in next line we are converting colored image to grayscaled image. So this is happening in this line segment. Now we are thresholding our image and the threshold that we are using is 128 and the type of thresholding that we are doing is binary plus Otsu thresholding. Now after thresholding we are doing binarization. By binarization I mean all the darker pixels would be converted to black and all the lighter shades of pixel would be converted to white. So this operation is happening here. Now I am using kernel of size 2x1 for doing my image pre-processing task like eroding and dilating. So this is happening in next line segments. So these steps are done to sharpen the text boundaries present in the image so that my text are properly visible and the extraction accuracy is good using Tesseract. Now let's run this code. As you can see, using this command pyplot.imshow, I am able to see the image which I am reading here. Now in next block of code, I am using image to string method of PyTesseract to extract text out of this image IMG. So this is the syntax of doing that. In out below, I would get all the extracted text out of this image. So let's run this, and I have written here print command so that I can see the extracted text. So let's run this block. As you can see, here we are able to extract the text out of image using Tesseract or PyTesseract library. Now coming to next block of code, here we are opening a text file and we are writing the extracted text out of this image in a text file. So this code block is doing the same. Let's run this, and once this is done, it will print the done statement, which is happening here. Now in next bigger block, I have consolidated all the smaller code blocks that I have demonstrated above, and this is the total, or I would say full code block. Now let's run this bigger code. As you can see, here we are able to get the extracted text which we are printing here. So this command output is coming here for extracted text, and we are also writing this into a text file. So the done is coming here, and we are also plotting the image. So this is the final output is for this plt.imshow. So this is the image which we are using for extracting text out of this. So this is all from my end for this project or for this task. Thank you very much.